Hey guys, welcome to the video. So in the last video we have seen that how we can create an Amazon instance for us. So we have created a server over here, it is running, and now we will see that how we can log into this server with the PEM file that was downloaded in the last video. So to log into the server we will be needing a software which is known as PuTTY or PuTTY, whatever you call it. So we'll search PuTTY over the Google and we'll go to putty.org and we'll click on download, and we will download 32 or 64-bit version, and we'll need another software which is PuTTYGen. Yes, you have to download this too. And the reason behind downloading this is we cannot log into our server with the PEM file from Windows. It's a bit challenging to us, so we have to convert the PEM file to a PPK file. So first of all, please download these two files, and now open the PuTTYGen, and then we'll click on load, and here we will locate where we have downloaded our file, our PEM file. Here is a PEM file, and we will select this and click on open. Then we'll click on OK. Yeah, a key has been generated, and then we'll click on save private key, and we'll click on yes, and we will give it a name. I give it the name of Vesta PPK and save it. So here we can see that we have generated a PPK file, and by this file we will be able to log into our server. So to log in, we have to come to the AWS console and click on the server that we're going to connect, and click on connect. And click on SSH client, and then very carefully just copy this portion of the code after this @ then click on copy and go to the PuTTY software, and here on the host name paste it over here, click on SSH and the port 22, and then click on SSH auth, and then here we have to locate our private key that we have generated newly. Yeah, over here click on open, and here you can or cannot give the username, and username is over here before the @ Ubuntu. I've copied it and paste it over here. So after we do these three things, you click on open, and voila, we logged in to our server. So let me make it a bit bigger. Change settings here from appearance, change. Oh, it's taking a while here, so I'll make it bold, make it 14 pixels, and click on OK, apply. Yeah, so voila, we are on this server.